Hello students, hope you all are taking good care of yourself. Let's continue your first chapter in geography. Students, you will use register for doing history, civics and geography work. You will have two registers. In one register you will do your geography work, and in another register you will do your work of history and civics. Okay. Students, are another element of map is scale. A scale is the ratio between a unit distance on the map and the actual distance on the ground. Scale. We cannot draw a large place. Obviously, we will not have a large page to draw that area. So we set a scale like 1 centimeter on map is equal to 250 kilometer or 100 kilometer or 2 kilometer on the ground. There are two common types of scales which are used to represent distances. There are two common. Generally, there are many types of scale, but common. There are two: linear scale. Linear scale, this is the easiest method of describing a map scale. It is usually written on map as 1 centimeter to 10 kilometer. Like in this map scale, 1 centimeter is equal to 409 kilometer. It means 409 kilometer. This is distance on ground, while 1 centimeter, this is distance on map. Your next is representative fraction. Representative fraction, that how will we calculate it? Representative fraction is equal to distance on map upon distance on the ground. Okay, now in this topo sheet, it has been, this is large scale map, topo sheet, this is large scale map. Here it is written RF, representative fraction, 1 is to 50,000 centimeter. It means RF is equal to 1 is to 50,000 centimeter. 1 centimeter is equal to 50,000 centimeter. Here, this is on map and this is actually on ground. Okay, now we have to convert it on in kilometer. 1 centimeter is equal to 50,000 upon 100, because 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. Then divided with 100, we will the answer will be 500 meter. It means 0.5 kilometer. So 1 centimeter is equal to 500 meter, or 2 centimeter is equal to 1 kilometer. It means this is actually distance on ground and this is distance on map. Next topic is distance measurement. The distance between two places. The distance between two places on map is related with distance between the same places on the ground, actual distance. These are called the map distance and the ground distance. There are two methods which are used to measure distances. First one is measurement of direct or straight distances. In this, we measure the distance with the help of a piece of paper between given points on map. Like this. You can see here, there is a temple and this hut, permanent hut. We have to measure this distance between them, these two places. Okay, first we have to point here, then here. Okay, this we call it straight method. After this, we have to make a scale. One starts from here, then 0, we have to write points. If answer will be coming in points, we have to count here. Okay, now these are the points which we made. First we will keep here 1. Then what will be the distance? 1.9 centimeter. 1.9 centimeter. Here scale is 1 centimeter is equal to 10 kilometer. Here we have measured those two places 1.9 centimeter. Now what will we do now? 1 centimeter is equal to 10 kilometer. 1.9 centimeter is equal to 10 multiplied by 1.9. Answer will be 19 kilometer. 19 kilometer is our distance on ground, while 1.9 centimeter is our distance on map. It was our straight method. We did straight method. Now next one is measurement of indirect distances. Curved line. Like here, curved line. This. For measuring it, we have to take a thread. Okay. Then after, we have to point over there where we have to mark this, so we can start measuring. Okay. Then put it over there, exactly there. Then yes, this will be our ending point. Again we need this scale. Same method we will apply as we applied with straight method. We used paper. Okay. 2.1. Okay, 2.1. Here 2.1 centimeter is equal to 10 kilometer. Here distance on map 1 centimeter, distance on ground 10 kilometer. 2.1 centimeter is equal to 10 multiplied by 2.1. Answer will be 21 kilometer. Here 21 kilometer is our distance on ground, actual distance, while 2.1 centimeter is distance on map. Now students, you have to do these two exercises in your book only. Fill all these and you have to send the screenshot of this page. Do it in book only, not in notebook. Okay? And send it along with your other homework. That's all for the day. Keep your surroundings clean. Stay home. Stay safe. Thank you.